There you go.
Okay, so I would start off by talking about, I would say, hi, this is Chastity with Encore Solar, and do you have a plan for when your power goes out? Do you have a plan for backup power, like a generator, or have you looked into solar and a battery? Because the mayor is talking about us having rolling blackouts this summer, and we're just checking in with people to make sure that they have a good plan for backup power. That's what I would start off saying. But right now, my current script I can go over with you as well.
Yeah, go over your current script.
Okay,
So-
hi, this is Chastity. I'm with the Net Metering Program. And real quick, the reason I'm calling is because you are potentially qualified for some state subsidized funds that would save you starting at 40 to 50% on your electricity at no cost. Would you say your average electric bill is over $100 still?
Yes.
Okay. I see. So I'm sorry it's so high. We do have a specialist doing a free courtesy qualification check over the phone. It's really brief. What they do is check your energy usage, make sure your meter is updated, and also check your home's location in relation to the substations. And if all those things line up, they submit an application to utilities. And if utilities approves it, you see that savings of starting at 40 to 50%. Would you be more available tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening?
In the evening.
Beautiful. Okay, so we do have a specialist available at 6 p.m. and at 7:30 p.m. Which
6
time would
o'clock.
better? Okay, beautiful. 6 p.m. I'll have you down here on our calendar for 6 p.m. Just know whenever the specialist calls you, it might be 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after. And in order to qualify, you do need to have a credit score of 620 or above. Would you say your credit score, have you checked it recently?
No, we haven't checked it, but we're probably in the 700s.
Probably in the 700s. Okay, great. So have you had any bankruptcies or foreclosures in the last
No.
5 years?
No.
No? Okay, beautiful. So we do have you on our calendar. And is your email still david@gmail.com?
Yep.
Yep, beautiful. Okay. And I'm going to send you an email from the Illinois Sustainable Energy Solutions.org. It'll have 2 links. One is for you to add this to your calendar. The other is for you to upload a copy of your electric bill. And if you have any issues, I'll send you a text message as well. So if you have any issues uploading a copy of that electric bill, you can always text me a photocopy of it if that's easier.
Okay.
And let's see. You had said your average electric bill is over 100. Would you say it's about in the 200s or 300s, or is it in the hundreds?
No, about 190.
About 190. Okay.
$590 a month.
Okay, beautiful. So I have you here on our calendar, and let's see. I would recommend setting that invite reminder on your phone if that helps you remember. And we do ask that you're able to make the call tomorrow. I know that a lot of people get busy and they just try to, blow us off. And we do have a lot of families that are needing the savings. So we appreciate you taking the time to talk to us. And we ask that you're able to make the call. And all that I ask is to make sure that you have that electric bill uploaded or sent to us, so that way the specialist can provide you some straight answers about your energy usage and write down any questions you may have. So we are able to answer those questions when you speak to the specialist tomorrow at, we said 6 p.m. Okay.
Excellent.
So it's all about cementing the call, because a lot of times people will just try to get off the phone with you and they'll say, yeah, I'm available tomorrow at 6, but they're really not.
Right. So do you have a series of questions that you ask them?
That's the whole script.
Do you have any questions that people ask you back that you can think of off the top of your head?
Oh, questions that I get a lot. People ask, they say, no, I'm not interested in solar because of their credit score, or because of they don't want to take out a loan, or because they don't want.
If somebody says
they're worried about holes in their roof.
Okay. If they say they don't want to do the loan, what do you say to that?
I say this is no loan, no debt. It's just that we need to have that credit score to prove that you do pay your bills on time, the same way you have to have a credit score to get a cell phone.
Okay, no loan, no debt?
That's what I say to them.
How can you say no loan, no debt? It is a loan.
That's what they tell us to say. And if with the net metering program, apparently it's not a loan, but it is a loan. So I'm not sure why they tell us to say that, but they tell us to say that.
It's definitely a loan.
Right. That's what I thought.
No loan, no debt. Okay, I understand what they're saying, but that's not 100%. I mean, it's edgy, you know what I'm saying? Okay.
Right.
All right, I can develop. The reason I called to ask is because I'm going to try to do 100 calls myself, and I'm putzing around trying to figure out all kinds of different ways to communicate. What do you think I should expect if I make 100 calls? What do you think I should really go
It
for?
depends on the quality of your leads. Like I said, when I first started my first month, I was getting anywhere between 2 to 7 appointments set a day. Now I'm getting 0, like just straight across the board 0. So I think it really depends. You might have a day where you get 0. You might have a day where you get 2 to 7. But I haven't gotten more than 7. Some people have gotten like 11 to 20, but I think they're going through their friends and family for that. They have to be.
Okay, so, okay, I get it. I see what people are doing. Okay, that makes sense. All right. I get this.
Okay,
All right.
thank you, David.
I'm pretty excited about doing this with you. I'll be on with you tomorrow in the morning. I finished the setup, so everything seems to be all right. And we'll go ahead and get you logged in and everything tomorrow. You'll be comfortable with it. And then we'll figure out a day that we can start.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
All right. Thank you very much. You have a good one. Bye-bye now.
Bye.